Hello everyone, we have given 7 plus 1 equal 8, 7 plus 2 equal 16, 7 plus 3 equal 24, so 7 plus 4 equal what? So can you find the number that shows this logical sequence? Comment your comment, what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in logical reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So 7 plus 1 is 8. That's correct. 7 plus 2 is 16. Not possible. So what they do is they add 1 to it. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and multiply the next digit. That is 1. So 8 times 1 is 8. Similarly, 7 plus 1 is 8 and multiply with the next digit 2 is 16. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7 plus 4 here is 8 times 4, which is 32. So what replace the question mark? 32. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.